All right, folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're having a bunch of fun. Got my good buddy here, Tony Sangelosi from 330 Archery. He is a custom arrow builder and custom string builder in the Northeast Ohio area. And today we're testing broadheads, torture test. So we're gonna see what broadheads stand up to the biggest test today. I'm shooting a Wasp Mortem, Ramcat Diamondback, a Muzzy Trocar, iron will vented, tooth of the arrow, Afflictor K2 Fixed, and this is a G5 Montec. And Tony brought a Magnus Black Hornet Sur Razor and a Kudu. These are 100 grain?
100 grain, yep.
100 grain heads. It's gonna be some epic stuff. So let's have some fun and let's see what these broadheads can do. Hell yeah. So after that round, all the broadheads are in really good shape. The Ramcat has a little bit of chipping on the blades. I mean, they're all in really, really solid shape. We did lose a head. We lost the Kudu because the arrow, the insert broke. So that's in the hay bale behind the target. But outside of that, all of the broadheads move on and we're gonna shoot some plywood. We're gonna go for round two at the plywood. First up, we're gonna shoot the Iron Will 100. This is the regular, not the wide. Ready? That thing sent chunks flying. Real quick, guys, we had an arrow break on that. I wanted to show you something pretty cool here with the Exodus MMT arrows. This patented 4K weave will break clean and fracture instead of splintering, so you don't have carbon splinters going everywhere. So big benefit to shooting these arrows. Pass through? All right, guys, so round three, we haven't lost any. So they all made it through the steel cabinet. They all made it through the plywood. A lot of them are in really, really good shape still. We did lose a couple arrows, some fletching, so I swapped out some arrows. Now I'm gonna shoot 1/8" steel angle, and I think we're gonna have some destruction here. So I'm gonna move up a little closer because I have a skinnier target, and let's see what it takes to destroy these heads. First broadhead up, iron will, vented 100, 1/8" steel angle. This is gonna be fun. Ready? We might not have another round after this. Bounced off. I knew that one would be impressive. That's what I expected. Jesus Christ. It knocked the other arrows out. Shrapnel? Yeah, that head's pretty mangled. Through the 1/4 inch or the 1/8 inch steel angle, we lost a lot of stuff. All the other arrows did not penetrate into the steel angle except for these 3. So we have the Iron Will, the Magnus Black Hornet, and the G5 Montec. All these arrows are pretty mangled up except for the Iron Will. This is where this broadhead shines. So let's see what it takes to destroy these three broadheads. G5 Montec versus Cinder block. Wow. Good. Yeah, it's stuck. It's stuck. All right, guys, that's the penetration test for these broadheads. Man, we have the G5 Montec stuck in there, the Iron Will 100 stuck in there, and the Black Hornet Magnus stuck in there as well. So out of any of these 3 heads, you can't really go wrong. We put these things to the test. They went through a steel cabinet, they went through plywood, they went through 1/8 inch angle, and now they met a cinder block. If you're shooting any of these broadheads, shoot them with confidence. And that concludes the penetration test.